Hey everyone, this is Ken from Ken's Metal Detecting Tips, Tricks, and Finds. I wanted to go over the pouch that I use for detecting with. A lot of you guys, you'll buy, stuff on Amazon and you're going to pay 20, 25, 30 bucks or more for a pouch. Why not go to Harbor Freight? Brower makes these really expensive tool belt ones, and I actually converted this over to a Finds pouch, and it was like $5.95 or $6.95. That's dirt cheap, and it's made really well. If you take a look at it, it's got the quick disconnect here for your belt, which you can put through here, and so you don't have to take your belt off, which makes it kind of cool. I do have this spot for the knife right here, and I did this came with it, the metal piece, so that was just kind of nice. I did buy this for $5 at a swap meet, leather sheath, so you can put your knife really easy in there. And also have the pin pointer on this side. The pouch, the little thing that came with it, the holder, I just glued it in here with some, it's good to use the, what they call that, shoe glue. It's like a silicone, it's really good. It's better than plain old silicone. And I did put a hole in the bottom of it, if you can see here, so that the pin pointer can go through. And I also need dirt, because this thing gets filthy. All the dirt will just fall out. And I did hook the lanyard to right here, just put a hole in it. So when you're pulling it out, it's gonna still be attached. I do have my water bottle here. Got to have one of those. I think that was 99-cent store. I got like 5 of them or something. So that's good to have. Be careful though when you're spraying jewelry, because one time I got a junk ring and I sprayed all the fake diamonds out of the ring because it was sitting in the dirt for so long. All the glue kind of came apart. So anyway, I highly recommend don't do your jewelry, or do it under something where if it does fall out, at least you'll be able to save your little fake diamonds. Usually the real diamonds don't do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little places to put stuff. I broke a toothbrush and stuck that there, a little flashlight and a pen. You can also hook some other things on here as well, like a pick or something. My spare battery goes here. There are also a couple spots here you can put stuff. One here and one here. And it looks really good. I think it looks professional. And I'll put my knife back in there. So if you have any ideas on something like that, what you use for a pouch, I think this is a really good one. It's made heavy duty. I've had it for a while and it seems to be holding up pretty good. So if you think you like that and want some more tips, put it in the comments. Maybe any ideas you want me to check out or try, just put them in the comments below. And if you like this video, please subscribe. Bottom right, top right, you can give me a thumbs up if you appreciate the effort I put into these videos and you want to see more. That really gets me going to want to do more. A lot of people say, you don't need that. Yes, I do. It really is encouraging to see those likes go up. So please give me a likes, and I will see you on the next video.